Exercise 1-4, question number 6. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set n. Let F mapping A to B be defined by f of x is equal to x cube. Then 1. Find the range of f. 2. Identify the type of function. Solution. In our question, F mapping A to B is given. It means first set domain. A is domain. B is second set. B is codomain. Write domain and the codomain first. Solution. Given the domain A is equal to A is given the set 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4. And the codomain B is equal to n. B is, your codomain is B. That B is given. B is equal to n. B is equal to n. B is equal to n. N means we know that set of all natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Then take the equation. Given equation is f of x is equal to x cube. Also given f of x is equal to x cube. We know that the values of x from domain. These are the values of x. We can take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, etc. Here, substitute x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4. 4 elements are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then substitute 1 by 1. X is equal to 1. Here, substitute 1. Becomes 1 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1. This 1 belongs to B. B means second set. This is second set. This 1 belongs to this set. Then second value of x, 2. Here we can substitute 2. 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8. Belongs to the set, second set. Here 8 is there. Therefore we can say 8 belongs to B. Then 3. X is equal to 3. Here we can substitute x is equal to 3. 3 cube. It becomes 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. Belongs to B. This 27. Here belongs to this n or this B, second set. Here 27 is there. Therefore we can say 27 belongs to the second set B. Then next value 4. X is equal to 4. Here we can substitute x is equal to 4. 4 cube. It becomes 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. 64 also belongs to this second set B. This set. Here 64 is there. Therefore we can say 64 belongs to B. Then first question. What is first question? Find the range of f. Find the range of f. That means the range of given function. Here range means the values of y. These are the values of y or values of f of x. These are the values of x. Therefore take these values to get a range. Therefore the range is nothing but set of all values of y. Here values of y are 1, 8, 27, 64. 1, 8, 27, 64. Then first one is over. And what is second question? Second question is nothing but identify the type of function. We have to find the type of function. Here. Second one. Here the number of elements in the domain. 4. Number of elements. The domain is 4 here. Here number of elements in domain. This is domain. Number of elements in domain is 4. 4 is equal to the number of elements in the range. Range also. Here number of elements in range or this set range. Number of elements in range is also 4. Therefore we can write here the number of elements in the domain 4 is equal to the number of elements in the range 4. 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, otherwise, we can say each element in the domain has different images in the codomain. Each element in the domain has different numbers or different images in the codomain. Therefore, we can say given function is 1 function. And here the number of elements in the codomain is infinite. Here number of elements in codomain. Here we don't know the number of elements. It is infinite. Unlimited number of numbers are there here. The number of elements is unknown. Therefore, we cannot take the number of elements in codomain. Therefore, we can say infinite. Here, the number of elements in the codomain infinite is not equal to the number of elements in the range. Here, number of elements in range is 4. We know that. Here, infinite number of numbers is not equal to this 4. In this case, we can say given function is into function also. Here, given function is 1 function. Also, given function is into. Therefore, given function is 1 and into.